Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Pavoni Professional here. Pretty much what we did was a tune-up. Pretty much what we did is replace all the glass, replace this. We did put a new stat right here, replaced the group head, cleaned it all out. We did clean out the steam wand and fix the steam handle. And so we're gonna do a test shot and we're gonna test the steam. And we're using test coffee for this. Right, now that it's in there, we are going to pull up the lever slowly. Till you hear that noise, then you're going to hold it here for around 8 seconds. Then you're going to evenly pressure it down. Till espresso starts coming out. Again, keep an even pressure as you go down. And this pours an Italian type shot, so it's going to be a little smaller. That's looking really good. Getting that last out. That is a beautiful shot. Then we're going to test the steam. Opening this. As you can see, working pretty well. Kind of hard to see, but it's definitely coming out. And that's about it with this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for the repair.